Let's go.
Just give me what I need.